Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 700X processor, a 7000 series CPU that clocks in at 4.5 GHz and can boost all the way to 5.4 GHz. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it handles multitasking like a champ. Whether you're gaming while streaming, video editing in Premiere Pro, or compiling large code bases, this processor doesn't slow down. It's built on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, which means you're getting top-tier speed, energy efficiency, and responsiveness. Every app launches quickly, transitions feel instant, and you'll never feel limited by the processor in day-to-day use or during heavy-duty gaming sessions. Of course, what's a gaming rig without a powerful graphics card? Thankfully, this build includes the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB of GDDR6 video memory. The RTX 4060 is built on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture and brings all the benefits of modern gaming tech, like ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-driven frame generation. This GPU easily powers through most modern titles at 1080p ultra settings with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay, and in many cases, much higher. You can comfortably run demanding games like Call of Duty, Warzone, Fortnite, Baldur's Gate 3, Cyberpunk 2077, or even Helldivers 2 and Black Myth Wukong with buttery smooth performance. Thanks to DLSS, you also get boosted frame rates without sacrificing image quality, which is a game changer for competitive and cinematic games alike. This system also includes 16 GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, ensuring seamless multitasking and fast load times. Whether you're opening multiple Chrome tabs, running OBS, Discord in your game simultaneously, or working with large media files, the memory keeps up with ease. It's paired with a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, offering ultra-fast storage that's up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. Booting up your PC takes just seconds, games load instantly, and you'll have plenty of space to install your favorite titles, apps, and media. One of the most impressive parts of the Skytech Azure 3 is its cooling system. Instead of relying on traditional air cooling, this desktop comes with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler featuring addressable RGB fans. It's not just for show, the thermal performance is outstanding. No matter how intense your sessions get, the processor stays cool, and that means no thermal throttling. Your performance stays consistent and stable, even during long gaming marathons or heavy creative workloads. This is especially important for users who want to push the hardware to its limits, streaming, editing, rendering, or just gaming for hours without slowdowns or overheating. The design also deserves a shout-out. The Skytech Azure gaming case features a sleek black finish, a tempered glass side panel to showcase the internals, and beautifully integrated ARGB lighting that gives it a professional yet flashy look. It's a build that will look right at home on any desk or streaming setup. And yes, it includes Wi-Fi, so you're not forced to use Ethernet for connectivity. You also get a wide variety of USB ports, including USB 3.0, 3.2 Gen 1, and Legacy 2.0 ports for your peripherals. It even comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can get started right out of the box without needing to buy extras. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Skytech Azure 3 takes advantage of modern features like direct storage for faster load times in supported games, a fresh UI, and improved gaming optimizations over Windows 10. It's smooth, polished, and optimized for high-performance hardware. Another bonus is that this system comes bloatware-free, meaning no unnecessary pre-installed junk software slowing down your experience. A big win for users who just want a clean, ready-to-go gaming machine. And lastly, Skytech includes a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support. It's assembled in the USA, which may offer some extra peace of mind when it comes to build quality and service responsiveness. To wrap it up, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC is a powerhouse built for 2025 gamers and creators who want performance without compromise. With its Ryzen 700X CPU, RTX 4060 GPU, ultra-fast storage and memory, stunning cooling setup, and sleek RGB design, it offers top-tier specs at a competitive price point. Whether you're diving into AAA titles, running your content creation workflow, or just want a future-ready machine that looks as good as it runs, the Azure 3 is a smart investment.